We are the LCS student
heroes. And we are.
Oh, and we are. Okay, one more time. Hi, my name is Samantha.
Hi, my name is Shanaya.
And we are LCS student heroes. So for the personal project, I set out to learn about AI and coding and how they can work hand in hand and what you can develop with them as a result.
My learning goal was to be able to run and hold a 4-day workshop specifically about art for kids of the age of 4 to 9, for them to be able to express themselves through art through different techniques.
So for my final product, I created a chatbot that was specifically catered to LCS. It was informed about various things about the school and was there to answer questions for those that had any.
I had 2 products. One being a website that I made on Canva that has many different art techniques that the children learned, also having more in-depth explanations, definitions about them. And then my second product was a montage that included clips of each day of my workshop, showing what the kids did, how they did it, and their final products.
So from the beginning, I didn't really know anything about coding, but I had this very big goal ahead of me. So I had to learn a lot about coding, about Python, CSS, and all of that. Additionally, because of the little time I had to learn so much, I had to work on my time management skills and my communication skills.
I also had many different skills that I was able to develop and use. So for my products, I had to use a lot of filming skills, as I had to film a lot of clips for my montage, as well as developing and improving on my editing skills. And then for the workshop, I had to develop my communication skills and collaboration skills.
So hopefully when my project is featured on the LCS website, it would be helpful to people aspiring to be part of the LCS community to learn more about the school and have their questions answered without actually having to interact with a human.
My personal project can help many students and other people of all ages to really understand about different art techniques, why they're important, how they can use them, and what they are.
So having a mentor for the personal project was definitely very helpful. My mentor was able to keep me in check, making sure I was doing everything I was supposed to do in the time that I had. They also gave very honest advice and recommendations for our projects.
So just like Samantha said, I also think that having a mentor was really effective, as my mentor was not only able to give me positive feedback, but also feedback on ways I can improve my products and also my process journal and the report.
Both Shanaya and I agree that we wouldn't have done anything differently in this project because each part of this project has taught us something new and we've learned something from each part. Is definitely my time management skills, my self-management skills, taking initiative and talking to people, so my communication skills, and also putting myself out there and trying new skills.
And for me, I will definitely be taking my self-management skills, as now I know how to work and handle with little kids while also staying organized, as well as also now developing and working on my communication and collaboration skills.
So some techniques you learned were glazing, gradient, dry on dry, wet on wet, gouache, agamograph, and clay. The workshop went really well and developed skills of collaboration and creativity.